welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and guys, we are going to clean together for the holidays, meaning we're going to clean together before I place all my Christmas decoration up, and I'm doing that today. So today is going to be a clean with me and a decorate with me. It's going to be decorate my trees, decorating everywhere in the house, and I want to take you guys with me. Right now, the state of my home, it's very messy. It's in the morning where we just woke up, where there's dirt everywhere. The beds are not made. Breakfast is not done yet. I'm gonna clean as I'm making breakfast at the same time, cleaning, making sure everything is spotless before we put any Christmas decoration. And I want to take you guys with me. So are you excited? I can't hide. We are going to do it together. Stay tuned, guys. So this is the kids' room. Two of my kids have a shared room, so we're just gonna clean and decorate there.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
So this is what it looks like after it's all clean and decorated. I just have 2 Christmas trees for them, and that's all they need. So I'm just gonna vacuum around and just wipe the surfaces, and that will be all for this room, guys.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
So before we decorate downstairs, I'm just gonna clean, I'm gonna vacuum, and I'm gonna dust, and then I'm gonna mop the floor before I add any decorations here.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
So if this is your first time seeing my channel, my name is Gladys. I do lifestyle video, house decorations, and just mommy videos, and I will truly appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button. Welcome to the family, guys. And I brought all my Christmas decoration out. Let's get to decorate this kitchen and the living room.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So the wreath on the cabinet, I got them from the dollar store. So are the bows on the pendant light.
I'll be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
So this year I really wanted to make my house cozy, so I decided to add this wreath inside. That's by the garage door. I'm gonna lightly spray with this fake snow. I used it on my tree as well. I really like this. Look at it, it's so pretty.
You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon.
So I decided to add a garland here this year, and it's from Goodwill. The hangers are from Goodwill as well. The two snowmen are the parents, and the snowflakes are the kids. I think it's so cute. And the stockings are from the dollar store. When I saw these beautiful branches at the Goodwill, I knew I was gonna put it into a vase like this or in my Christmas tree, but I think in the vase it looks really nice and it sparkles, guys. I think it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna decorate my mantle here and this fireplace, just adding some nutcrackers and some snowflakes and some trees, and I think it's really beautiful. My pillows here, I got them at the Goodwill. If you have not seen my haul, definitely go ahead and see the haul. How excited I was when I found this pillow at the Goodwill, brand new, guys. I really wanted this year our stockings to have, you know, their names on them. So I got these at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and one of them is from Walmart. I believe the N is from Walmart. But yeah, I think making it personalized, it's really nice. And my daughter came downstairs. She was like, wow. I really like it, guys.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to.
So I'm just gonna do last minute cleaning here, and then that'll be all for this video, guys.
Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.